Hi, we are here today at this Pasir Ris district to check out this high-floor 4-room apartment. My name is Kenny Yeap from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Let's check it out. This unit is approximately 1,141 square feet with 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The current owners bought this lovely high-floor corner 4-room apartment years ago and have made it into their love nest. The living room is spacious and bright, and the kitchen has been integrated into the living room, giving you a more spacious look. A sliding glass door was installed to keep the cooking fumes away from the main living area. As you can see, all the bedrooms are tucked away in a corner, and each room has their own unblocked views. Spacious, bright and airy. Both the master and common bathrooms are renovated and immaculately maintained. In this Pasir Ris precinct, it does have full-fledged facilities including exercise park, children's playground, multi-story car park, supermarket and shops which caters to your daily needs, and it is within minutes walk away. Just across the Tampines Expressway, there are 3 huge shopping malls: Lemni, IKEA, Courts Superstore and Giant Shopping Mall. If you'd like to inquire more about this beautiful apartment, just call me at 9107 6888 for an exclusive presentation.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.